Have you ever sat there, staring at a blank page, a lifeless screen, waiting for a spark of creativity that never comes? You start to wonder, maybe I'm just not the creative type. But here's the truth, creativity isn't a talent, it's a system. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock it. There's a famous story about Steve Jobs. Most people think he was this once-in-a-generation creative genius. But what they forget is that Jobs didn't invent the touchscreen. He didn't create the phone. He didn't even invent the internet. What he did was combine them. And that's the secret most people miss. See, we're told that creativity is about inventing something no one's ever seen before, a masterpiece pulled from thin air. And so we sit there paralyzed, waiting for the perfect idea. And when it doesn't come, we tell ourselves, I guess I'm not creative. But the problem isn't you. The problem is how you're approaching creativity. Here's what the greatest minds in history actually did. Shakespeare? He borrowed old plots. Einstein? He built on theories that already existed. Even James Dyson combined the mechanics of industrial cyclones with a vacuum cleaner to create the first bagless vacuum. They weren't inventing from scratch. They were stacking ideas, layering concepts, and finding unexpected connections. That's the formula, and it's something you can start doing right now. Here's how. Step 1. Absorb relentlessly. Read books, watch documentaries, listen to conversations. Fill your mind with raw material. Step 2. Write everything down. Ideas, quotes, random thoughts, even things that don't seem to connect. Step 3. Start mixing them. Ask yourself, what happens if I apply this idea to that problem? What if I take this concept and use it somewhere no one expects? That's where creativity lives, in the overlap. Creativity isn't about waiting for inspiration. It's about building a system that constantly generates it. You don't need to be born gifted. You don't need to be some artistic prodigy. You just need to be brave enough to collect, combine, and create. Because in the end, the people who change the world aren't the ones with the best ideas. They're the ones who keep stacking them.